In this Autonify tutorial, we're going to look at roles and permissions, how we can have admins, members, and users so that you can manage your workspace. We are inside the Autonify platform. In previous videos, we've been adding users. Now it's time to look at how we can manage those users and how they can operate over the workspace. Now, the first thing is we have the concept of groups, and you'll see we've got some pre-built groups in here. Now, we can come into our data engineering group and we can manage that. Firstly, we can give a name, description. We could delete this group if we really want to. We can add members to this group as well. So I'm going to add Gareth and myself and Alex into our engineering group, and we'll see that they have been added in here. We can remove them at any time. Now, the nice thing about groups is we can come in and we can give access to data sources. So here we'll see the data access permission for this data engineering group. We can come in and we can manage that. And this basically allows us to say what data and what tables does a user have access to. And this is useful for when we're using GraphQL, we're exposing it that only certain teams should be able to access certain fields. But also it's useful from an MCP perspective. If you're using AI or you're using chat, there are going to be certain sensitive fields you do not want to leak into that particular workflow or that particular algorithm or LLM. So we can filter the data and we can select what data permissions these particular users have. The other side here is we can manage the application permission. We can do this on a group level and we can say what permission these particular groups have. Or we can come in on a particular user level. So we'll see here that James is currently the owner of the workspace. But if we want to promote Alex or Gareth, we can come in and select them, hit edit, and we can give them a particular permission of owner. And we'll see Gareth has now been promoted to owner within our workspace. Thanks for watching Autonify AI.